When the curtains close, the people go home and the lights get low, I slip into my coat and venture into the unknown. I walk a lonely road where people duck down when the cold winds blow, and no one seems to know the folks that they pass as they go. Maybe I'm the truth, maybe I'm a cheat, maybe I'm that dude that you saw on the street, standing in a waiting line. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Maybe I'm a sinner, maybe I'm a saint, maybe I'm that dude that you saw around the way, standing in a waiting line. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Sometimes it's like the city is a beast, looking up from down below when I'm walking on the streets, and the people that I meet never look me in the eye. They too busy with the bills and the lack of 9 to 5s. I just crack a little smile, tip my hat and then I pass. Been practicing a while, I'm a master at the craft, and I'm guessing so are you, but it doesn't make a difference. The city got us cramped up and the city makes us distant. Just another misfit, robbed of his ambition, falling off the radar, drifting off into the distance. Always on some mission, always searching for a purpose. Whatever he does, feel like he's scratching on the surface. He just keeps trying to squeeze a diamond from a lump of coal. People walking by him stare at him in silence, cause they don't know. Maybe I'm the truth, maybe I'm a cheat, maybe I'm that dude that you saw on the street, standing in a waiting line. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Maybe I'm a sinner, maybe I'm a saint, maybe I'm that dude that you saw around the way, standing in a waiting line. Maybe I'm just wasting time. So in my solitude I sit, just like Lady Day once sat, and the beard is in the place where my baby face was at. Looking back on older days through my aviator frames, all the characters are different, but the play remains the same. Ain't it strange, like my brother Daniel taught me, we're all born original, but end up like copies, and all of the monotony got me feeling kinda streamlined. Just another drone, buzzing in the beehive, working for a queen who's getting senile, treating everyone like shit and expecting a free ride from all us little average Joe, soldiers of the status quo, living in the shadow of a city full of battered souls. He just keeps trying to squeeze a diamond from a lump of coal. People walking by him stare at him in silence, cause they don't know. Maybe I'm the truth, maybe I'm a cheat, maybe I'm that dude that you saw on the street, standing in a waiting line. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Maybe I'm a sinner, maybe I'm a saint, maybe I'm that dude that you saw around the way, standing in a waiting line. Maybe I'm just wasting time.
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch your fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall. 3 foot tall.
the potholes in my auto mobile. Holler a note, watch ho, we lost hope like Bob Hope. So what are we supposed to follow? I'm a leader, not an apostle, but I believe in the freedom that God holds. I'm on the top rope, ready to jump, so watch close. Been criticized and boxed though since I was a snot-nosed kid. We ain't living for tomorrow, we live for the Lord. Oh, everybody trying to fit in the crowd like where's Waldo? I freeze time like photographs, living for the moment. I'm taking mental pictures, reminiscing while I'm growing. When I see the light of day, right away, I write away. Cause things I write and say give me direction like Michael Bay. I need something in my life because my plans they never work out. Like when I make plans to work out, cause everything don't always turn out like you want them to. Honest truth, nah, ain't nothing wrong with Luke. I walk this path alone, but I need somebody here to talk me through. But who?
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough.